You know, I have to know people certain kind of way.
Yeah, you know, that was it. Yeah, you have to know where you are.
So I tell her, I'm not depend on it. Because the youth them already, you know. Walk out of the yard the other day and walk down the road. 2 you tell them now. So Ross, are you a kill that now? Nah, but deal with it, brother.
Yo, after a long time still, I saw she stays still, you know. I saw she get to build all the house there.
So woman look like she run the road, you know.
She should know her thing.
Run the road.
Yeah.
So we can't deal with that. And I want to tell you, not even that alone too much. See a little movements up there the other day. So 2 boys come up there, ugly up them face. And through them see me back and forth. But now I shop and forward. Car. It's from up there. So I'm going with the stay. Just through my go down and shop and deal with some things. The man them ask me, brother, you knew about you and nobody don't know you. And I say, youth, you no need to know me. So if people move come to the area, everybody have to announce that they move come to the area.
All them two you can.
They have one dark one, man, and I'm kind of stout. And I'm walking with a boy who look like him bleach out him face.
I joke at them. I
ask me, they
ask you. Call my name.
That you should do, yes. Come here one day, if Dan did down here, you know, tell me say Dan down here.
Which Dan? I say, I feel your farmer the boy, yeah.
Boy, they man move away style, like the man style thing, you know. Yo, the day when I go down and shop to, you know, the tancer, you know. Tancer, the boy, them don't know them, I say.
All the rust.
No, Rastalians, you know. I beat it like a slave, me, I say, they know not doing the youth. I don't know it. But in real life, brother.
All right, here. As I say, I have some people that will check out this.
Yeah.
And the place, you know, find out. You're one of the small rooms. Talking. You understand me?
We run going to town the other day. Around something, we have to sign some paper. But, you know, take the chance.
You have to be careful where you are doing.
I'm going to reach out to Miss Brissette, you know. Tell her, say, no, you know, I'm not pre them no more, but I'm not really tell them which part of they come. I think I'm ready to tell them which part of they.
Hey, you have to be careful with them too, you know.
Yeah.
Because them people, if you're there, I want to go all around this, so them find you.
Brother. And numbers, my name, man. I know if you style the thing, man. See? We just go some shot going to town, jump on a bus, and when I come off a bus, we just call Brock back and say, Brock back, pick me up at that spot, yeah. I know if you style the thing to me.
Yeah, more. I'm not going to do for me.
Yeah.
So the little brother was supposed to clean up the yard.
Yeah.
From a day, I see him. So, I go on, you take on the road.
One tree thing that, man. Simple thing that.
Yes. Yeah. You don't know what happened to him. You know, I hear nothing from him. I call him, I hear nothing. So, you know, you just give you something to do.
Yeah, man.
So you don't feel like I'm going for you.
And why you tell me over your state, you know, because you don't know, say, farming a my style to something.
Yeah, man.
Show me what I'm going to do. Yes, man.
Yo. About 2 weeks now, the little man not forward to finish deal with over here, so, you know. So.
Bonafide. You know, sir, it's a right up my street still. I hear somebody like look after, you know. If you don't have nobody to govern you, so for a little time I'm there, you deal with this fear.
Yeah, man, that could be nice, because amount of rain will fall and place I get bushy again and all of them stuff.
Yeah, man, but I knock this out of the park quick and fast, brother. Because right now, that's how we have to go. We have to really grow where we eat and eat where we grow.
Right, that's so.
I fix this, man.
So you can still do the little yard man work too.
Brother, I'm not a diploma in that.
How did that brother here, man? Yo, you not have diploma for the yard man work. I want to you.
So Sullivan, them say beggars are no choosers. So right at the moment, if I sweep the yard, I sweep the yard, a simple thing.
Now watch no face. I got to do it.
Yeah,
see.
Man.
Wow. Hold on then. What go on with Marcus?
Because I make me feel I want to talk in. I want to run going to town yet. Like I tell you, that's why I reach out to Miss Brissette. I want to see if she can diffuse the whole situation yourself. If I run go back to the business, you know. But I have to make sure say the coast is clear.
Your business supposed to suffer right now.
I have some people where I deal with it still. I have 2 people there. I have a young lady and a youth. Very diligent work of them. And them go and angle it because once you put certain system in place, it's not really hard for running. But you have to sign certain papers and deal with certain things. Them angle it, man. Because right now, Kingman him off the grid too. So I have to make sure say angle it. I don't want him pre me.
King man.
Mm-hmm.
So I go on for him.
Brother, Kingman can move off one of the agent them, you know. I never know say Mr. Mullins' family.
John. Oh, you make that mistake there.
You know the agency run. Them always have people out the street where nobody not know about. And that keep them going, you know. So it's like him recruit him nephew for do some work for the agency. And some youth move to one of our shipment then. After we go pick it up.
Judge.
Legal, legitimate thing. But the youth look like him get himself now some, with some, get around some foul people, including some police too. And because of that, some Mullins decide, say, hear me now? You see, I move the king. Because a couple times it happened, your king is concerned. And you know them are come from far.
Yeah.
Yeah, but him broke a sacred code. So Mr. Mullins put out a thing upon himself, him surface. None at all. A free game. You can take him 3 points.
Why? It's rough, man, king, you know.
I know, brother. But I feel like them will work it out. I always soldier them, I fire them forward from. Them will work it out, man.
That's true.
Just I go and angle my camp. You know what I'm going to do? I go and tuck in a little bit and go and deal with some of the yard work in the meantime. And then when the place free up, I just go take a fresh and tuck in.
All right, do your thing.
Yeah. Because I really sleep at night time. I don't know if Miss Carmen ever move in for my brother. Sleep at night.
I'll go around at the front there.
All right, yeah, man.
Camille, me just dying for the place free up.
Why?
Because I want to spend some time with you.
Babe, me want to spend some time with you too, you know, but remember, you have to do down here while me run the house.